Assalamu alaikum. Welcome friends to my new video. This is about the practical use of the short keys that we learned in our last two videos. So let's start. First of all, we use the short key Control C to copy data. Each each cell like the selected one field, it is called the cell. One cell has one row and number and one column. Like if we see, this is called A1 because column name is A and row number is 1. So if we name this cell, it will be called as A1, and this whole selection of a column, it's called column. If I select whole number 1, it is called row. So the Excel is the combination of columns and rows, and each one selection of the, you can say, this box, this is called as cell. Okay, so let's start. First short key to copy data is Control C. Like if I want to copy this cell A1, I will press Control C. It is the copy short key, and wherever I want to paste, I will just click there, or I will go by direction key there and will use Control V. It will paste the copied data there. Okay, then the third key is Control X, which is used to cut the data. Like if I decide to cut this E1 data, which is A, I want to cut it from here and I want to paste anywhere else, I can go the other place where I want to paste it. I will go there and do Control V. It will cut from the last field which we selected and paste to the new field where we want to paste it. Now the next is undo. Like if I have brought this cut data to the new field, I just thought, change my mind, and I thought that I want to send it back. So I will press Ctrl Z. It will go back to the last action that I made. No, after making this one, I just check. No, I just checked that. No, it was fine there, and I just want to redo the undo thing. What I will press, I will do Control Y. It will repeat the last action which you did as undo. Okay. So if I want to delete this data, I will just come this cell. I will press delete. So it will simply delete the data what was in this particular cell. The next one, bold. I want to make this data, like I will select 2 3 cells and I want to make it bold. Okay, now you will see these are the in the writing I cannot read it clear, or I want to make it the more bold way. I will just press Ctrl B, it will make it bold. Okay, and if I want to make this data as underline, I want to make this A as underline, I will use Control U. Okay, when I will make Control U, it will underline the text that is in that particular cell. How to copy the how to fill cells down. Like if I see here, here is A, and I want to copy the same data in the next E2 cells. What I will do, I will simply do Control D. It will repeat the data from the upper cell to the lower cell. And if I want to copy the same data to the right cell, what I will do, from E2 I will go to F2. I will press Control R. I will press Ctrl R, it will show the data in the next field. It will fill the data. Okay. Next, our next short key is insert cells. Like I want to insert cell between this E1 and E2. What I will select? I will select Control Shift and plus sign from my keyboard. It will ask me you want to shift when you will make a new cell, you want to shift this cell to the right, to the down, or you want to insert the entire row or entire column. If I will check the first one, it will let's try this one. I did this. This shifted that cell to the right and inserted a new cell here. Okay. After that one, if I want to delete cell, what I need to do? I need to press simply Control hyphen. When I pressed Control hyphen, it will ask shift cells left, cell up, entire row or entire column I want to delete. Let's see, I just selected shift cells left. So it deleted that cell and it shifted to the left side of the cell. Then is if I want to make this sheet save, I will press Control S. Once I pressed Control S, if the new sheet you are working with, if you press Control S, it's first time you are saving, it will ask the location of the folder and file name where you want to save it. If you are already working on the saved file, it will simply save the working that you are working on that particular sheet.